Welcome back, guys. Another method we can use to build a website on our mobile phone is Canva. If you've not heard of Canva before, I want you to visit www.canva.com. That's the website, www.canva.com. Register on Canva, or you must have heard of it, or you are used to it, but you don't know you can use it to build a website. So this is www.canva.com. After you've signed up and everything, this is what your dashboard would look like. So I'm currently logged in. You can sign up easily if you don't have an account. So get an account on canva.com and still use your browser to access it. Don't use the mobile app, use your browser. So right now, we want to create a website here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use this search box to search for websites, which is this. So I'm going to search for website right now. I'm going to say website and I'm going to search for that. And right now we're going to use this Canva to create a website. So we have different website design, as you could see from here, but there are different versions of Canva. There are pro versions. Currently I'm on a pro version, and that's why I could use some of these templates, because the ones you are seeing pro, if you don't have a pro version of Canva, you cannot use them. So I won't be using a pro design. I'll look for a free design to use for those that will be using a free version of Canva. So let me look for a template to use. And we have different templates right here. Anyone you see pro beneath it, it means it is for those that have paid for Canva. So right now, I'm just going to leave that out. I will not go for the one that has a pro tag. So let me look for a free template to use. So we have different templates right here, and we're going to see website. This is all about websites. So we're going to just scroll beneath, and we have different, like, we have different websites right now, so we could just go ahead to see how to go about creating one. So we have different templates. I'll just scroll through to scan the template, then we're going to choose one for ourselves, and we're going to use it to create a website. So you can create all sorts of websites, and you could just type, currently I just typed a website, but you could still go ahead to type. For instance, if you want to build a website for an hotel, like a landing page for an hotel, you say hotel website. Yeah, you say hotel website, well, you say, and it will bring out templates that are related to that. So here we have hotel websites, and look at this right now. So we have a website by Creative Studio. See this is an hotel website, and see there are a lot of websites right here. So you could use any of these templates as you're looking at it right now. So you could use any of these templates to build your website. As you could see, we have some premium templates that looks good, but like I said, I'll be using a free one to do whatever I want to do. So you could go ahead to look for a website template to use, and you could see we have different websites right now. So you could see the ones with website tags are the ones you're going to use. Look at it right now. Look at this. That's the website tag, and you could still go ahead to look for the ones with website tags and use them for your website design. So let's say you want to design a restaurant website. You're going to just type restaurant right here. You're going to type restaurant. So it's going to be restaurant website, and let's see what we have right now. So we're going to see different templates for that as well. As you could see, there are different templates for this restaurant website, and you could see we have them right here. And this is something you could easily do. So these are websites, and there is a pro version and there is a free version. So you could see we have different websites right here. So let's see what we're going to use. So let's use this particular template. You could see there's a template right here. Look at this very template. So let me show you this very template. Look at this very template. So we could use this, and we could use this as a template to learn how to build a website. So let's use that right now. So I'll click on it right now. So let me just click on it right now, and here we are. So from choosing this, you're going to see other templates. This is the template I'm currently using, but you could just go ahead to see what the website looks like. This is how to preview what the website will look like after you're done creating the landing page. So you could easily use this to create landing page for different restaurant brand. So you could still go ahead to check restaurant web page from the template to see more web pages, and you go ahead to see more web pages. So let me just go back to use these templates that I wanted to use, and you still go ahead to see more, but this is what I want to use. So I'll click on this, and this will be used to build a restaurant website, more like a landing page. So I'm going to just choose customize templates. That's the next thing I'm going to choose. I'm going to choose customize templates to work on this template and create a website from it. So here is where I'm going to click on. So I'm going to click on that, customize this template. And having to customize this template is going to bring me to my account. And I'll just continue with another account or create a new account. So let me continue with Google, and I'm going to use my account straight away. Like I said, I have a premium account, and that's what I'll be using right now. So I'm going to log into my account, into my Canva account using my Gmail. After you've signed up with a Gmail, then you could easily log in with a Gmail. And here we are. It takes me to the Canva mobile app. So whether you're on an iPhone or on an Android phone, you have the opportunity to download those apps to use for your web design. You have the opportunity to use this for your web design, and here we are. So this is the preview of what the restaurant website would look like. It could just be a landing page, it could be one page website, and it could be a website you're going to navigate through, but we're going to see how to work on this particular template. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.